Hey guys, it's Desiree with WTI, and I want you to check out this beautiful 10-piece set of boho wall baskets from ChumDecor. So look at how beautiful they are. Add a little bit of orange into my gray walls and brighten it up just a bit, and that did exactly that. I also wanted to add a little bit of that boho chic look to a very plain wall, and this completely changed the look just with these 10 baskets. Now I love that they go from the large one, which is about 15 inches, down to the small one, which is about 5 inches. Also super easy to install because they all have a hook on the back of them. So you have somewhere to just hook it right up, and you can actually make your own design however you want. So definitely a great way to add some beautiful boho look to your home from ChumDecor, but that's just my point of view.